Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to configure Extio 3 to run in aggregator mode with tile view, to remotely monitor and control 4 systems on a single 4K screen, or 8 systems on a dual 4K setup. In our setup, we have 8 single head systems running at 1080p 60. Each system is connected to a transmitter device, and Extio 3 transports the audio, video, and USB signals over gigabit infrastructure to the receiver. The first step is to go through the standard setup process and get all the Extio 3 devices up and running using Extio Central Manager.
Once that's done, in the main interface, you will see all available devices. In our setup, we have 8 transmitters and 2 receivers. If you click on the little arrow at the bottom of the page, you will see details and telemetry information about each device. Aggregator mode enables a receiver device to connect to multiple transmitters at the same time. To set it up, select a receiver and right-click to open settings, or you can simply double-click on the tile. The first step is to go to the monitors section. Here, we will define the physical layout of the monitors attached to the receiver device. In this case, we have a single 4K display. We will select 1 by 1 and simply drag and drop the 4th monitor into the box. Click Done and then Apply. The second step is to create aggregated layouts and which source systems are part of your tile view. Click on Aggregator Mode. Click Create New Layouts. On the left-hand side, you see all the transmitter devices that are available. We are using our quad input transmitter device. Each transmitter is connected to a single head system. So as expected, our cable detect feature tells you that there is no video signal on input 2, 3, and 4. We will start by giving a name to the layout. Click on Tile Display and simply drag and drop the source videos into each tile. If you make a mistake, you can click on the recycle bin and remove a source and add a new one. Accept tiling. Now we're going to configure audio. And we want the audio to switch with the USB, so we select Analog Audio, line in follows USB. Click Done and Apply. Our first aggregator layout is created. Now let's create a second one. Now we have 2 aggregated layouts that the receiver device can connect to. When you go to the connection section, you will see all available transmitter devices that the receiver can connect to, as well as the 2 aggregated layouts, layout A and layout B. If you have multiple receivers in your setup, you can easily export these layouts to other receivers. Go to the main interface and select all available receivers and click Multi-Device Settings. Go to Aggregator Mode, select Modify Settings, and check that the layouts that you want to add to your secondary receiver unit, and click Apply. We also support tile view with 2 4K displays, which means you can view 8 Full HD video sources on 2 4K displays. Select the receiver, go to the monitor section and define the physical layout of the monitors. In this case, it's going to be a 2 by 1. Simply drag and drop the monitors into each box. Click Apply. Go to Aggregator Mode, Create New Layout, Click Tile Display. Accept tiling. Define a tile display for the second 4K display. Accept tiling and apply. Now we have a new 8-system layout for the second receiver device.
Once the setup is up and running, you can connect to the aggregated layouts through the OSD. Open the OSD on the receiver device. You can view all the available systems as well as the 2 aggregated layouts that we created. Simply select and connect. Now you can view 4 systems or desktops on one 4K display. You can seamlessly move the mouse across from one tile to the next and simply take control of a system. And from our dual 4K setup, you can now connect to 8 systems simultaneously and control them with a single keyboard and mouse. To find out more about Extio 3, please visit our website.